Hello fellow homesteaders. Today I want to show you a testimony about growing trees the biblical way, planting and growing trees the biblical way. It's an amazing video, just unbelievable. I just hope it's true, it's not a fraudulent testimony. I found it a few years ago when I was first started doing my research on biblical gardening. It is the first in a series of a follow-up to my Christian homesteading and gardening presentation. A viewer named JM, hello JM, asked me a few questions, trying to clear up a few points from that video, and I will be answering those questions. In the meantime, first I want to show you this testimony. These are the results we should be hoping for when we plant and grow fruit trees the biblical way. Enjoy.
Eight years ago, I planted the lemon tree in my yard, and we were reading the Old Testament, and what it says is the first 3 years, you're not to harvest the crop. But the fourth year, you harvest the crop, and then you give the first fruits to God. Now, the fourth year, and that lemon tree had 12 lemons. So I took the best lemon, and I washed it, and I took my pen, and I wrote first fruits on that lemon, and I took it to church on Sunday, and I dropped it in the offering. Okay, now 4 years later, our other tree still produces regular-sized lemons, but the tree we tithed on now produces only this size lemons. It doesn't produce any medium-sized or small lemons. It only produces these. God's word is true. Man, he says that he'll give you the desire to obey him and the power to do what pleases him. And man, this is just a result of obedience. Man, try and see.